Welcome, everyone. I'm Beth Lendrum, and I'm so thrilled to have you join me on these Jin Shin Jyutsu enhanced meditations. I like to call it meditation on steroids because adding a physical element just elevates your meditation practice. And so today we are working with the mudras, and a mudra is a hand ritual. And every time you see statues, ancient statues, if you're looking closely at them, most of the time their hands are in some sort of formation. And that formation was actually for a very particular reason. And so today we are going to put our hands together, fingers together, our thumbs are overlapped. I've got one thumb crossed over the other. And then you're going to hold your middle fingers up in the air. If this is at all uncomfortable for you, please just hold your middle finger. You can choose whichever middle finger you want. Okay. And also feel free to have your hands in your lap. I have mine up in the air because I want you to see what I'm doing. But it's much more comfortable to have your hands down on your lap, at least for me. But so let's have everybody exhale, letting go of all the worries of today and all the frustrations. And inhaling harmony. And exhaling down the front of your body. And inhaling up your back. And by holding your hand in this mudra, since it's focused on the middle finger, you're releasing and letting go of all anger and frustration. And inhaling harmony into your body and your total being. Because both middle fingers are touching, and you're touching the whole finger, you're harmonizing your physical body, your spiritual body, and your mental body all at the same time. Relaxing and releasing. You're supporting the liver and the gallbladder function energy of those organs. Those organs have pathways in your body, and this mudra helps to support them. And a mantra for this particular hold is I am in harmony with myself. So you can repeat silently, I am in harmony with myself. Notice your body relaxing. Drop your shoulders. Releasing all tension from your head, from your lungs, supporting your digestive function. Letting go of any tension you might be holding on to in your abdomen. Really feeling it in your body, feeling your body unwind, release, and getting to know yourself. Be the cosmic, unconditional love with no limitations and no boundaries. And now let's move to our second mudra, which is the tips of your middle finger touching. Your middle fingers touching. If this is at all uncomfortable, I invite you to just hold the tip of your middle finger. You can choose whichever one is calling to be held. And by holding the tip of the middle finger, you are supporting your body on an emotional, spiritual level, harmonizing your relationship with the Creator, whatever that looks like to you, he, she, they. And releasing all emotional worries. Coming into harmony with yourself, and then with your family, and then with your neighbors, and then the world. And again, your mantra can be, I am in harmony with myself. Exhaling down the front of your body. And inhaling up your back. Inviting the light of the world to support you as you come into harmony with yourself. This mudra supports your inhale, that part of your breath that comes up your back. And then makes a perfect circulation around your head and exhaling down to the front of your body. And let the light of your exhale support all those around you who may be in need. And thanking yourself and your body for bringing harmony to your total being today. And noticing and knowing that you can utilize these mudras at any time you feel called to. You can go to sleep holding a mudra. And on your next exhale, let's have you put your right hand on the center of your chest and your left hand on top. Just go inside and see what feels different. Do your shoulders want to drop down a little bit more now than they did before? Is it easier to take a breath? If you had any pain or discomfort in your body, has that shifted? By holding the bust line portion of your finger, that first knuckle, you supported your lung and your heart function energy that circulates throughout your body. And then when you're ready, feel free to release your hands, shake out your shoulders, move around. And again, just take note of how you felt before we started and now. And thank you so much for joining me. And if you haven't already done so, I would love it if you would like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can find out more at 4minuteflow.com.